Welcome to the Trojan Auto Sniper. You're here to win, so let's get straight to it. First things first, open the Auto Sniper setup menu and hit New Setup. Label your setup clearly. Next, set your snipe amount. Go with 0.25 sol and slippage at 70%. Start focused, start smart, master the basics now, then crank it up later. Now, pay close attention. Your snipe tip is your advantage. You're not here for second place. Raise your tip. Own that first block. If you want results, you've got to commit. No half measures. Set your filters. Radium and pump fun pools only. Keep your sniper focused. Precision wins every time. Set your max snipes. Know your limits. Set this so your sniper pauses after 3 successful transactions. Finally, lock it in. Hit Create Setup. That's it. Now your sniper is locked, loaded, and ready to dominate the next 3 Radium or Pump Fun launches.